Hello everyone, this is Gabriel. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to perform some basic descriptive statistics in EViews. In this tutorial, I'll be performing a simple hypothesis test to test for the mean, median, and variance of the series. The students in our sample had a high school GPA mean of 2.65. The national average at the time of data collection is 2.70. Now, let's test formally if this difference is statistically significant or not. So, to perform hypothesis testing, click on View. Then we go to Descriptive Statistics and Test. Click on Simple Hypothesis Test. So, we specify the value we want to compare it with, which is 2.70. Click on OK. EViews report the t-statistics and its associated p-value. The test is carried out against a two-sided alternative. The p-value gives us the probability of obtaining the sample mean 2.65 if the true GPA mean is 2.70. The p-value for this is 0, which means we strongly reject the hypothesis that the two means are equal. In other words, the students in our sample have a GPA that is statistically significant from the national average. We can also test whether the variance of our series is statistically equal to a specified value. For this data set, our variance is calculated by the standard deviation raised to the power of 2, which is 0.433. So to test this, we click on the simple hypothesis test. So we compare it to 0.45. So we are comparing 0.433, which is the variance, to 0.45. Click on OK. Similar to the previous example, the test is carried out against a two-sided alternative. As you can see, the p-value of the test is 0.0495.